Hi, hello, welcome to this tutorial. On this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how you can actually check your website traffic in WordPress using the Koko Analytics WordPress plugin. Now, the Koko Analytics is actually a lightweight plugin that you can actually use or install on your WordPress dashboard so you can track your visitors specific data. You don't have to share data with third parties when you use it. And no visitor specific data is collected. Visitors can easily opt out of tracking in do not track in the bonus setting. Your website is never slowed down because the Google Analytics plugin service lightweight and you respect visitors' privacy. So Google Analytics actually have lots of good point that you can should make you use it. And one important thing, what I actually like about it is that it beats out bot traffic from your website. You actually get data about people that actually visit your website. Everything about bots is actually rooted out. So to install it, you need to want to check how you can actually install it. So to install it, all you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. So once you log into your WordPress dashboard, you look for install and go on the plugin and you click on uh, add new plugin. Now one good thing about Koko Analytics is that it's plug and play. Once you install it, you go straight and it installs immediately. It starts collecting data about your website traffic. No additional setting is actually needed from you. Just install and start doing this work. So here under the add new, come here, type in analytics, as it Analytics with the front S. Okay, now that's it right here. One thing you should always do when you try to install a new plugin is to actually confirm that it's compatible with your version of WordPress. So click install. After clicking install, and click activate. So basically that's all we need to do. That's all we need to do. But then we can go a step further by clicking on settings. That's under all the installed plugins. Click on settings. So this is from here you can actually set the default tick period as the number of traffic data that you want it to show. Is it the last 28 days? Is this this month? Is it the last month? Quarter? This year or last year? So it's actually displayed based on what you choose. After that, you can also set all that data, traffic data to be deleted in the system mount. So your choice. Just click on save. So basically, as I said, it's plug and play, and it requires no extra setting actually. So that's it. That's the end of our tutorial for today. Please do not forget to subscribe and also hit the like button. Also, don't forget to share it.